Just for the benefit of our audience, it might make sense for you to introduce trust, because this is the same question I'd asked you when you were first on our show. Maybe that'll give us a lead into why we're talking about debt fund first, and of course we will go to equity after that. Tell us about trust.
So Trust Group was founded by Nipa Seth 25 years back. We are going to celebrate our 25 years in Feb 26.
Yeah.
Nipa Seth is a rank holding chartered accountant who started with a very small debt distribution company, then acquired a debt capital market license on merchant banking, then debt broking, debt PMS, and we have done some fantastic deals in terms of debt syndication for companies who want to raise money both in the private and state government sector. In the last 2-3 years, I think we have won all kinds of awards in terms of recognition, in terms of ranking, sustainable bond, best bond advisor, best bond deal. So that has been an institutional framework for Trust Group so far. We also have some companies like wealth management company called Trust Plutus, Trust Securities. The mutual fund foray is the first foray into a retail product. Utpal Seth, our mentor, Nipa's husband, Utpal Seth is a legendary investor in his own right in public and private equities. He has had a fantastic past as an investment banker, analyst, fund manager. He was a CEO of Rare Enterprises for more than 20 years. He was a senior partner with Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ji. And it's very rare to have a combination of promoters, both of whom are on our board, who have actually hands-on experience of investing large amount of money, both in equity and in fixed income. So that way, we are fairly blessed, I would say, to have very intelligent and wise promoters.
Right.
Now, Trust Group, I would say that in the future of Trust Group, if you ask me, I think the mutual fund is going to be the main driving force, because the market itself is growing by a tremendous speed.
It is.
And the acceptance of mutual funds with retail is ever increasing. SIPs have been increasing. Geographical reach, digital penetration has been increasing. Acceptance has gone. And we have been fairly well accepted by the markets, although it was our first product. So I think that's where the Trust Group is.
And you've got strong promoters, and that is a competitive edge. So how is, on the mutual fund side, last I checked, you were at 3,000 crore plus AUMs?
We are close to 4,000 now.
Close to 4,000 now. So how has it been, entering into a segment where the big giants were there, well established? How's that journey been so far?
The good thing is that the mutual fund industry, I'm on the AMFI board also, so we have just given our approval for the 50th mutual fund, for the 50th AMC. And I think that at least 15-20 more AMCs are on the pipeline.
Okay.
A lot of people who have found success in PMS business or AIF business are now stepping in. I think the 75 lakh crore, is kind of a magic number, and everybody feels that this number is only going to increase.
Okay.
And a lot of foreign companies who had left the Indian shores are now trying to come back. So I think this number of AMCs was going to increase. There are some which are more passive oriented, some which are more digital oriented, some who might go only into SIFs. And the beauty is the market is expanding.
It is.
And it is accepting. And gone are the days when you thought that, okay, I'm going to invest in only a large brand. Because there have been successes in the recent history where fund managers or AMCs have generated returns consistently.
Yes.
And those names were not household names in India. So people have understood that, okay, it need not be that the most familiar name generates returns for me. So there's some allocation can be given to a new fund house. The other thing is that one has understood by experience that mera paisa dubega nahi. Maybe it will be 5% down or 10% up because markets are volatile. But it's not a chit fund where money is going to disappear. No promoter is going to run away with your money, which has also led to a lot of new promoters coming into this field. At the same time, it's a difficult market. It is not an easy game to play. People require a lot of patience, lot of tenacity, lot of deep pockets, good set of fund managers and mutual fund professionals.